Hey everyone, welcome back to Bold Moves Coaching. Today we're delving into the powerful concept of achieving focus and fulfillment through the state of flow. In a world filled with distractions, mastering focus isn't just about being more productive, it's about finding more enjoyment. Join me as we explore exactly how the flow state, pioneered by Mihaly Csikszentmihalyi, can elevate our performance and overall well-being. Csikszentmihalyi introduced the concept of flow, a state of deep absorption and enjoyment in an activity, in 1975, and it has been widely researched since then. This groundbreaking work revealed that flow is characterized by complete immersion, where time seems to stand still and we perform at our peak. Essentially, you're in the zone. He characterized flow as the state in which people are so intensely involved in an activity that nothing else seems to matter. The experience itself is so enjoyable that people will do it even at the great cost, for the sheer sake of doing it. So how do we achieve it? Well, it's not easy, and it cannot be forced. Flow occurs when we strike that delicate balance between challenge and skill. If the challenge exceeds our skill level, we may experience anxiety or overwhelm. On the other hand, if our skill level surpasses the challenge, we may feel bored or disengaged. So why does flow matter for us? Csikszentmihalyi's research shows that experiencing flow leads to greater well-being, increased performance, and personal growth. In education, students who experience flow report higher levels of interest and enjoyment, resulting in better learning outcomes. In the workplace, the presence of flow leads to higher productivity and satisfaction. Organizations fostering a positive environment tend to be more economically successful. Flow also plays a crucial role in personal development. By engaging in activities that induce flow, we tap into our signature strengths, bringing out the best in ourselves. Identifying and applying these strengths in our daily lives creates more opportunities for flow, leading to a life that's deeply engaging and meaningful. So, how can we cultivate flow in our lives? Let's explore some practical strategies. Set clear goals and challenges. Start by setting clear, achievable goals for your tasks. Define specific challenges that require your full attention and skill. The right level of challenge can trigger the flow state by balancing skill and difficulty. Write down your goals and break them into smaller, manageable tasks to stay focused and motivated. Eliminate distractions. Create a distraction-free environment to support your focus. Declutter your workspace to minimize visual distractions. Turn off notifications on your devices and set specific times for checking emails and messages. Establish boundaries with your time and attention to maintain a focused mindset. Practice deep work. Engage in deep work sessions, dedicating uninterrupted blocks of time to a single task. Focus solely on the task at hand without multitasking. Deep work fosters concentration and allows you to immerse yourself fully in the activity. Set a timer for focused work intervals such as 60, 90 minutes, followed by short breaks to recharge. Cultivate mindfulness. Incorporate mindfulness techniques into your routine to enhance focus and reduce mental chatter. Practice deep breathing, meditation, or mindful walking to anchor yourself in the present moment. Mindfulness prepares the mind for optimal performance by promoting clarity and calmness. Embrace challenges and feedback. View challenges and setbacks as opportunities for growth. Embrace constructive feedback and learn from mistakes to refine your skills. The flow state thrives on continuous improvement and mastery. Reflect on your progress regularly and adapt based on feedback to enhance your performance. Find your peak focus hours. Identify your peak focus hours when you feel most alert and energized. Schedule challenging tasks during these hours to leverage your natural cognitive rhythms and enhance productivity. Align your daily schedule with your biological clock to maximize your focus and effectiveness. Engage in enjoyable activities. Incorporate enjoyable activities into your routine that naturally induce flow. Whether it's playing music, painting, or playing a sport, engaging in activities you love can enhance focus and creativity. Allow yourself time for hobbies and passions to rejuvenate your mind and inspire new ideas. In conclusion, flow is not just a state of mind, it's a pathway to a happier, more productive life. So let's embrace the challenge of finding our flow, utilizing our strengths, and living a life of engagement and fulfillment. Thanks for joining me on this journey towards bold moves. Until next time.